Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, if you were asked about the gastroesophageal reflux disease and the investigation of choice. So, if you were asked what is the investigation of choice, okay, 1 minute. It's not gastroesophageal reflux disease, actually, esophageal diseases and the investigation of choice. If you were asked what is the investigation of choice for anatomical disorders of esophagus, the investigation of choice is barium swallow. If you were asked what is the investigation of choice for motility disorders of esophagus, the investigation of choice for motility disorders of esophagus is manometry. If you were asked what is the investigation of choice for gastroesophageal reflux disease, investigation of choice for gastroesophageal reflux disease is actually 24-hour pH monitoring is the investigation of choice or gold standard for gastroesophageal reflux disease.
thank you and thank you for watching.